Okay, so we have two cars, a blue car and a pink car, and we know that the blue car starts at A and completes one circuit in 72 seconds. Whereas the pink car will start at B and complete one circuit in 75 seconds. We also know that by looking at the two circles, they touch the centers of each other. So if we draw a triangle between the two centers, this is an equilateral triangle, which has an interior angle of 60 degrees. So if I draw another equilateral triangle underneath, upside down, this is also 60 degrees, which gives me 120 degrees. And 120 degrees out of 360 is 1/3, which tells us that from A to B and from B to A, there is an extra 1/3 of a circuit that needs to be travelled. So let's have a look at point A. Let's just think that these two cars, well, let's have a look at how long they would each take to reach A. So for the blue car, I'm just going to call it B. B equals the number of circuits completed by blue, and I'm also going to assign a value for P. P is the number of circuits completed by the pink car. So coming back to A, blue car will just go around one circuit in 72 seconds, so it'll just be 72B. For the blue car, however, it has to start at B, go around the whole circuit, arrive at B, and it's got to do an extra 1/3 of a circuit to reach A. So how long will 1/3 of a circuit take for the blue car? Sorry, the pink car. It takes 75 seconds for a whole circuit. If you times that by 1/3, it gives us a value of 25. So it needs to travel an extra 25 seconds to reach A. So I'm going to say 75p plus 25 is what the pink car needs to reach point A. We'll do the same for point B. Point B, we know that the pink car just needs one full circuit, which is 75p. While the blue car will have to do a full circuit, reach A, and then again travel another 1/3 of its circuit. So 72 seconds times 1/3 gives me the value 24. So I'll write 72B plus 24. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to make these two equal to each other. So at point A, we know 72B equals 75p plus 25, and at point B, 75p equals 72b plus 24. And I just want to skip a lot of trial and error that is required in this process. And what I found was, what my aim was to find where 75p plus 25 is a multiple of 72, or I tried to find where 72b plus 24 is a multiple of 75. And then when I skipped, after completing a few trials and errors, what I found was that this is not possible using whole numbers, but this here, or this equation here, it works when P and B are both equal to 8. So we know that the two cars cannot meet at A, but they can meet at B. It can meet at B when the pink car has completed 8 laps, and when the blue car completed 8 plus 1/3 of a lap. And if you do the calculation, 8 laps or 8 laps plus 1/3, they all happen to equal 600 seconds. So that's how the answer is found.